Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shrimp pasta. So for ingredients, let's check down below. The pasta choice that I'm going to use for today is going to be capellini. So this is thin pasta, so it's going to be super quick to cook it. It needs about 4 to 5 minutes, but since if you've been in this channel for a while, you know when I cook pasta, I always cook about a minute to 2 minutes under, and then I finish off in the saucepan. Because it's shrimp pasta, obviously you're gonna need a shrimp over here. So the shrimp over here has been deshelled and deveined. I'm using for about 100 to 150 grams of shrimp. Here I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I have 4 cloves garlic crush, about 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, Italian parsley for garnishing, and then the juice of half a lemon. Here I have dry sherry. This one I'm using Tio Pepe, but let's say if you don't want to use this, that's fine. You can substitute any dry white wine like Sauvignon Blanc. This one is optional. If you do have it, you can add a little bit. If you don't, you can completely skip it. And this one is pecorino romano cheese. And now let's get to cooking. When my water is boiling, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of salt, and we can start cooking our pasta. Okay, now I'm gonna heat up about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter is melted like this, we're gonna add the chili flakes and garlic. We're gonna saute this for about 30 seconds. Now when all the aromatic is coming out, I'm gonna use the wine. And then we're gonna let the wine evaporate. This takes about 2 minutes. When the wine is fully evaporated, we can add the shrimp. After the shrimp halfway done, I'm gonna add the lemon juice. Give it a little stir. And then now we're gonna add the pasta. Now I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Last but not least, parsley. If you see it's very dry like this, just add a little bit more water. At this point, I'm turning off my heat, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit. So make sure when you put the cheese, your heat is completely off. You can add a little bit more water. When you see it's completely dry, just add bit by bit. And now our pasta is ready to serve. So we're gonna serve it on a plate. So this is our final result of the shrimp pasta. If you see, it's very glossy from the butter, it's very creamy without any cream. The cheese gives you a nice little depth to the flavor. So there you go guys, go ahead, give it a try and enjoy it. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video.